In this video tutorial, we are going to create bend table with the help of sheet metal object. So first of all, we try with the flat pattern. Select the face and OK. Now our flat pattern is ready. So go with the model view and find out the flat pattern. Okay. Every detail is mentioned over here. Every band detail will be there. Now enable the more gallery. You find out the band list. So here you may find out the number of band and band ID. You can manipulate this data. Now for the band table, I need to go with the drafting option. So drafting, select the paper size. Here select the flat pattern. Now enable the band table. Band table and select the view. Now band table is ready to use.